So with me today, I have the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and this is the first S series Samsung phone I've ever bought in my entire life, and even more so the Ultra version. So I'm really excited to see the flagship of what Samsung offers on the Android side. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing. So people are a little bit shocked that Samsung has pulled the charging brick, but honestly, I'm not that surprised in terms of a business aspect. Right, so we get a little piece of plastic. I just said plastic when this is paper. Yeah, it smells like paper. It smells like FedEx paper. Okay, this is the device. I got the Phantom Black, I believe. Doesn't smell like anything, and my God, look at that camera pump. What the? Label printed in Korea. Interesting, interesting. Shout out to all the Koreans who made this phone, or helped make this phone, I should say. So let's peel off the plastic. Ooh, manufactured in Korea too. Interesting. This is the most satisfying plastic I've ever peeled on a smartphone. Ooh, it's like attached to me. Oh, I smell something now. Ugh. I don't know if that's alcohol, but that smells like some type of chemical. It has to be some type of like de-sterilization or something. I don't know. That's probably the wrong word, but it smells like it's disinfecting like any type of bacteria or germs that could be on this phone, which honestly could be a good thing, but that I just killed like 10 brain cells or something. So we are finally in. Wow, this display in HDR is amazing. Wow. Let me pause. This by far is the best screen I've ever seen on a smartphone. I might as well. Wow. Wow. Seriously, I don't even know what to say. Golly. And the speakers. Why do I have an iPhone? Oh my God, this is amazing. Okay, so for one, this phone is pretty toasty. Not that hot, but it's getting pretty hot. So let's test out the camera, front-facing camera real quick. Test out the portrait mode. So wow, we have a lot of options here. Portrait, and let's flip this around. I am front and center. Take the photo. Take the photo. All right, let's look at this portrait photo. Really impressive. The background is really blurred. Wait, I have this little thing up here. Regardless, overall, portrait mode, you're not going to be disappointed. So next up for the video test, I'm actually going to go outside, walk around a little bit, show you guys what this phone is really capable of. I'm going to be recording 8K, so we're going to see, crossing fingers, how that's going to turn out. But hopefully you guys do enjoy this video segment and shots I take outside. It is snowing, by the way. Okay guys, I'm gonna come out here and say this is the coldest my hands have ever been. But you guys can tell me how the quality of the front-facing camera is. I think this is 4K 30 right now. Got some ducks in the pond. There's one in particular that is not wanting to go, but I'm really cold. You guys can tell me how it looks. I think it looks actually really, really good. But my hands are extremely cold, so let's go to the next destination. So here I am on another trail. As you guys can see, it's snowing like crazy, but overall, the camera quality is fantastic. I am beyond impressed by this camera by Samsung. I don't know if you guys can really hear me through the mask. Also, I do have the Galaxy Buds in my ear. But like I said, dude, this camera is fantastic on the front. Like, really, really impressed. But as you can see on this trail, there are plenty of tracks. Yep. Good job, Samsung. For sure, this deserves the name Ultra now. It is so good. And the design of the S21, like I said before previously, I like how the design of the camera is integrated to the actual side of the phone. Obviously, there's a lot of backlash about the back of the phone, but for me personally, all I really care about is how the phone feels when I hold it in my hand and where I'm gripping. And most of the time, I'm gripping the side of the phone, not the back of the phone, right? And if the side of the phone feels really premium, that's good enough for me. And like you're protecting the camera as well with the construction, and material that you're using. Obviously, the fingerprint sensor on the screen or built into the screen is amazing. The notch as well, or the little hole punch, I should say. Talking like I'm an Apple fan. The hole punch design, you can barely see it just because of the background that I'm using. Overall, in terms of the high refresh rate and whatnot, it is amazing, guys. I'm telling you, this is a beautiful display. This is, like I said, I need to use a better word than beautiful. This is a phenomenal display. That's what I need to say. This is a phenomenal display. And why do I have an iPhone, man? Why do I have an iPhone? Why? Hate you. All right, so hopefully you guys did enjoy my first impression and unboxing of the S21 Ultra. I'm gonna use the S21 as my main phone for a couple of days and then switch over to the S21 Ultra. I already know I'm gonna have an amazing time with this phone, but it's gonna be pretty hard to try to hold this phone off for a couple of days. But let me know what you guys think of this phone if you're picking it up yourself, what I should try out on the Samsung marketplace, or I should say Android marketplace as well. I will also be trying the Samsung Buds with the Samsung S series as well. But I appreciate every sub. I can't even talk anymore. I appreciate every sub, like, and comment. Leave a like if you did enjoy the video, share it with your friends. And as always, guys, much love.